TikTok is one of the newest trends in social media, with more than 2.6 billion downloads on the App Store and Google Play, and an estimated 1 billion monthly active users. With this kind of growth, it's clear that TikTok is a force to be reckoned with. However, it's not just an app that your kids find silly videos on. It can be a valuable tool for increasing your brand's presence online. The National Institute for Social Media presents How to Use TikTok for Business. Since its origin in 2018, TikTok has evolved from a video creation app for users to express their creativity to an exciting medium for brands to engage with their consumers. If your target audience includes anyone between the ages of 13 and 40, you should be on TikTok right now. It's not just a platform that's popular with young people, but also a legitimate platform to be seen on. Users have started viral challenges, launched social movements, landed a recording contract, and even gotten a Netflix comedy special. For example, @Nike has millions of posts showing videos of young people wearing their footwear, painting their Nikes, and even dancing. Not only is Nike a universally familiar brand, but TikTok has created a way for fans of the brand to come together and show off just how their products are used. The UGC is marketing magic as free advertising for the brand thanks to its 1.4 million followers. Another success story is the dating app @Bumble, which has 52.1 thousand followers. It connects its female audience on TikTok with hashtags like #Women's History Month as an appreciation for women's contributions. While Bumble itself is a popular dating app, their TikTok ads make the platform a little more personable and expand Bumble's user base. Want to get your brand seen on TikTok? Here's how you can get started. First, download the app and create an account, like you would for any other app like Instagram or Twitter. Then, search for hashtags that are related to your brand's products or a topic that would pique your consumers' interests. Your video doesn't have to look super polished. Just find existing content and make it your own. The nice thing about TikTok is you need absolutely no production budget to make something memorable. After you select the 15-second or 60-second option for your recording, you can play around with the sounds and visual effects for your video. From new releases to classic songs, there's a wide selection in the sound library, so get creative. The effects icon is full of dozens of different screen filters, and some are even interactive. The timer feature is what makes TikTok unique from other video sharing platforms and allows you to create video edits in real time. After your video is complete, you can add a description, add hashtags, and select who can see the video. You can also share your video on other social media networks such as Facebook or Twitter. There are also features such as Duet and Reply that allow TikTok users to respond to your video. It's a great way for you to keep that hashtag going strong. Need some ideas to showcase your brand? Maybe your logo has a mascot and you can feature a humorous twist accompanied by a fun music theme, or you can post highlights from previous events with your team. You can also share user-generated videos that catch your attention and highlight your brand as an entertaining segment that complements your other marketing platforms. If you're looking to add advertising to your marketing strategy, TikTok allows you to pay for ads from within the app. One of these ways is to create a brand takeover, where the ads appear in a user's feed before they see any other user's content. Your advantage is that only one ad can show in the advertiser's landing page for a specific category per day. Another fun tactic is making a hashtag challenge to engage your followers on the app's Discover page. Your brand pays to sponsor a challenge and gets a customer banner across the Discover page. Then your users will be taken to your videos as you promote your brand. TikTok is a wonderful platform for brands in various industries such as design, tech, and software to show off their products to their consumers. While no one can say for sure just where TikTok is going, it's clear that it's not going anywhere. With more users and videos every single day, TikTok is slated to only keep growing into a legitimate virtual marketplace. Visit www.nismonline.org for more great topics on how you can use the internet to your company's advantage.